Dear students, this is Dr. Archana Tiwari, Assistant Professor in Department of Business Administration, SPC Government College, Ajmer. The topic we are going to start today is recent trends or the developments in consumer behavior, and this is a part of your syllabus of the paper Consumer Behavior of Marketing area. So I think it is very needed to know about the trends, what are there in the market related with the present scenario. So we are going to discuss all these trends. So first we can see the change in consumer behavior is increased demand for transparency. So there is an increasing customer demand around transparency. Big corporations have abused the trust of the consumer for a long time. Second one is accelerated online buying. Nowadays you can say that consumers will accelerate buying online and using home delivery. This was already happening like before COVID-19 situation, but the pandemic revealed that it's easy, it works and it makes their life easier. All businesses will need to have an online strategy or they are going to get beaten by their competitors that embrace the execute an online sale and marketing strategy. Like consumer behavior can be seen on the basis of like a greater human element also. So you can see that online buying is nowadays a recent trend. Like if we take the example of ourselves only, then we can see that we used to purchase the things online only, or we used to take interest. Like at home we can see the young age youngsters at home or the children at home, they take too much interest in buying online. So this is a change in the behavior of the consumer or the customer, that they used to buy online and they prefer to take their product or services at home only, or the home delivery is preferable by the consumers. Like before pandemic it was happening, but after pandemic you can see there is an increase in number of online shopping portals also, and it is making the life easier also. Another thing is a greater human element in client interactions. Customers will expect a greater human element in their interactions. Virtual meetings and the absence of gatherings has people eager for real time, meaningful conversation. To a Zoom fatigued population, a phone call can seem more personal and relaxed. Now is the time to re-assimilate to personal phone calls or even mutually also. So you can see that a greater human element in client interaction is nowadays increasing. Like you can see different examples of this also, like virtual meeting is a best example of human element in client interactions. B2B customer gaining more leverage, it is also one of the important trend in the consumer behavior. B2B means business to business. Customers will continue to have more and more leverage with tech vendors, from checking authentic reviews to managing the sales cycle on their timeline, and even benefiting from group buying pricing. Buying is changing for B2B and it's a blessing. Another thing we can see is a shift in omnipresent communication also. There will be a definite shift in omnipresent communication as organizations move online and remotely. Creating a cohesive brand experience is not only desired but also expected. Customers are also looking for an experience that meets them where they are and when it's convenient. So there is a shift in omnipresent communication also. There is a quality of brand in this type of communication also. and customers definitely look for an experience which can be cope up with their convenience policy also. Another thing is looking for social experiences also. So consumers are looking for social experiences also, like they are helping each other by providing different services and products, and the persons who are not moving out of their houses during COVID, the another persons are helping them because they are experience the social values of the society also. Another thing is more people taking a DIY approach. Nowadays you can see like different persons or the persons in different countries, they are interested in DIY approaches. It means learning towards trying to do more things themselves instead of looking for others to do them. This can include more cooking at home, less dining out, more attempts at doing one's own nails or styling one's own hair, fewer salons visit, more at home workouts, and less gym time. So these were the examples. So these were the important recent trends in the field of consumer behavior. The next part of this recent trends or the developments of consumer we will take tomorrow in our next lecture.